Okay, guys, there's birds in the store. I'm trying to get a good view. There's birds in the Home Depot. Maybe I'll get a little good view over here, but there's birds in the store. Whoa! Guys, there was one in front of me. I missed the shot. I'm trying to get cool shots. Wait, let's see. Oh, there's one, guys. Yeah. There it is. There's two. There he is. There they are. Here they are. Oh, they went out. Yeah. Oh. There they are. There they all are up there. They're up there. There's a bird up there. Okay. I'm going to see if there's any more birds. This was just totally sick. We're looking for wild birds, see for the birds that come to our house, and Briley, Jake, and all the birds. Well, we're in the outside spot. This is the soil spot.
Yeah, soil. I was looking to see if they had plugs of grass, but I don't see
Okay. This is sick. This is live. This is so sick. Right now that there's birds in the store. Well, there's doors open, so that's how they do get in the store. But I'm trying to catch one. Or just find them. What? We don't need pots. Okay, just put it in there. We don't need any of them. Okay. Oh crap, there's one. Let me try to get it on video. I'm trying to get it. I can't get a close view without scaring it. So let me go away. Whoa. Oh crap. Oh, come on. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.